Advancements in Bulletproof Vest Technology, a comprehensive review of materials, design, and applications. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This review paper examines the evolution, materials, and technological advancements in bulletproof vests, a critical component of protective clothing. Bulletproof vests have been developed to safeguard individuals, primarily in military, law enforcement, and civilian sectors, against ballistic threats. The paper explores the key materials used in bulletproof vests, such as aramid fibers, polyethylene, and advanced composite materials, and analyzes the improvements in design and comfort. Additionally, the paper discusses the regulatory standards, challenges in development, and future directions for enhancing the effectiveness and usability of bulletproof vests. It is designed to safeguard individuals from ballistic threats. This paper provides a comprehensive review of bulletproof vest materials, their technological advancements, and their diverse applications in law enforcement, military, and civilian use. The study examines the evolution of bulletproof vests, analyzing the impact of high-performance fibers such as aramid-based Kevlar and Twaron, as well as Dyneema, which is an ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene fiber. The review also explores recent developments in nanotechnology, graphene-based materials, and liquid armor. Additionally, the paper discusses the ergonomic and environmental considerations in vest design, offering insights into future trends in protective clothing. The research also explores legal and regulatory frameworks governing the development and distribution of bulletproof vests, ensuring compliance with global safety standards. Introduction. Bulletproof vests are protective garments designed to absorb and distribute the energy of bullets and other projectiles, preventing injury. Bulletproof vests are a crucial part of functional clothing, specifically developed to ensure safety and protection for personnel in high-risk environments such as military, law enforcement, and security. Bulletproof vests have evolved significantly since their initial development, offering enhanced protection, lightweight designs, and improved wearability. The demand for advanced ballistic-resistant materials has driven research in textile engineering, leading to innovations in protective clothing. This paper reviews the materials, technologies, and applications of bulletproof vests, focusing on advancements that improve protection, comfort, and sustainability. Additionally, it examines ethical considerations in manufacturing and deployment, ensuring accessibility without misuse. Conclusion. Bulletproof vests continue to evolve, integrating cutting-edge materials and technology to provide superior protection while ensuring comfort and sustainability. Future research should focus on improving ballistic resistance while reducing weight and environmental impact. The continuous innovation in protective clothing will enhance safety for military personnel, law enforcement officers, and civilians alike. Additionally, further collaboration between textile engineers, law enforcement agencies, and regulatory bodies will be essential to standardizing next-generation protective gear. The future of bulletproof vests lies in a combination of material science breakthroughs, AI integration, and ergonomic innovations. With ongoing research in nanotechnology, bio-inspired materials, and smart textiles, bulletproof vests will continue to evolve, offering improved protection, comfort, and sustainability. The challenge remains in making these advancements accessible to a wider audience while maintaining cost efficiency and high safety standards. watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.